So by wala na sa ko vlog lately because I got busy and also I got sick. A lot of things happening to me and muna siya wala ko vlog balik but hopefully I can come back to vlogging. It's just that daghan kay kong ipang buhaton na yung mga busy sa kong schoolwork and everything and some editing stuff and backing up. So nasa kong computer sa front. I'm trying to work things out and back things up. So wala tayong larong videos for the moment. I'm also trying to organize everything. I'm trying to get anything up online, but other than that, just wait lang mo kasi I have a trip coming to Fiji, and the thing is, hopefully, wala stuff. But wala weird things that's gonna happen by then. Like no bug downs on the travel, but hopefully I can get there and I can travel. So we have around June 14 to 22 to go to Fiji, and then other than that, we're gonna go around New South Wales and everything else. But other than that, yeah, I'll try to put up some videos and karon I'll try my best. But I'm really busy right now. I'm really stressed out. Got sick the 2 days ago, and yeah, so let's see how this goes. Anyway, nice to see you guys well, and nice to see people following. And if you have just seen these videos ages after this, how are you going? Muna siya, Bisaya. Bisaya ko dapat, pero magpilim sa man English. Kaya kung porke Bisaya ka, di mo na ka naginahanglan Bisaya rin panulti tanan. Sulti mo sa kagin English. It's kanang mura magpugos kay magsigo Bisaya tanan ako sulti kanang way igong katakos mga ano. Di ko manginaganahan na kay murag pinugos kini mo Bisaya ka ba ya. Di biya ka, normal nga Bisaya, di biya mag-story Bisaya often. Anyway, ako magyaw-yaw. Sige. Padung ko sa syudad kay daghagbato nun makita mi ni Don niya kanang muna siya. Nahasod sa karon gamay kay mag-vlog kog duha karon in English ug Bisaya. So murag ambot lang ka. I'll try to kanang practice it again kasi manglaag mamig Fiji, mga tumig Fiji na may shoot nga kasal, and I need to prepare myself for it and make sure that maka-vlog kog duha para na itong vlog. But yeah, it takes a toll kung duha mong vlog English ug Bisaya kay you have to film it twice and then separate the video later. So there's a lot of work, but for you guys I'll do it. For me also. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So kumusta mo dia? Yeah, kanang just finished a shoot ganina. Kanang nag-shoot ko kanang baby shower sa kanang Bisaya sad siya. And yeah, nag-shoot ko sa anak na ni Wesley Annabelle. So I'm gonna edit photos. Also this morning I did another shoot also. So it's gonna be stuff again with work. And in a few days I'll be heading to Fiji. So I'm excited. So I have a lot of things in mind. But hopefully by then, okay na. Okay, let's go. So bye, tugnaw kay karon winter and it's around 14 degrees. Ulan sa kayo. So murag crappy kayang weather karon. So not doing much. Look at the freaking, yeah, it's really gloomy and all. Nag-jacket na ko maski na ko sa auto. Yeah, it's really bad weather, but I need to go to Knox. Na ko i-call karon, so let's go. Also still contemplating if I'm gonna use this as my vlogging camera or use my small camera. You know, gears. I get overwhelmed with gears, but I think I should stick with this. I was at the point also thinking na gamitin ako akong FX3 kaya akong mga idol sa video naga FX3 na sila tanan. So, but nah, I'm just gonna use this camera here. It's light, it's easy, it can do the job, and it's a simple vlog. But I want to use the now gamitin ng A1 sa doesn't have a flip screen, which I want, but I can't see myself, but it's fine. I want to use the FX3. I want to use everything, but I'm gonna stick with the A7C because this is my favorite camera. So let's stick with that. Duha ka shoot karon bay, mag-shoot tag sa bahan eh. Mag-shoot tag ka ng family photos, man mag-shoot din tag ka ng engagement party or yeah, engagement party. So shoot taron. Sige, let's go.